Crystal selection. Choose crystals known for prosperity, such as citrine or green aventurine. Select intuitively or based on their metaphysical properties. Sacred space preparation. Create a serene environment. Use candles, incense, or calming music. Dedicate the space to manifestation and positive energy. Centering meditation. Begin with a grounding meditation to center yourself. Connect with your breath and release any tension. Crystal cleansing. Purify crystals with methods like smudging or visualization. Set the intention to clear any stored energy. Setting intentions. Hold the crystals and set clear intentions for prosperity. Visualize your goals as if they've already manifested. Placement on chakras. Place crystals on relevant chakras, like citrine on the solar plexus, for abundance. Allow their energy to align with your intentions. Guided visualization. Envision a stream of golden light flowing from the crystals into your being. See your desires materializing in this radiant energy. Affirmations. Repeat prosperity-affirming statements. Engage your senses by feeling the abundance as if it's happening in the present moment. Gratitude practice. Express gratitude for the manifestations you anticipate. Gratitude amplifies the vibration of your intentions. Closing meditation. Conclude with a gratitude-filled meditation, expressing thanks for the abundance you are attracting. Benefits. Energy alignment. Crystals help align your energy with the frequency of prosperity, fostering a harmonious resonance. Amplified manifestation. The combination of crystals and meditation amplifies your manifestation power, making your intentions more potent. Emotional balance. Crystal healing contributes to emotional balance, reducing stress and anxiety associated with manifesting desires. Increased intuition. Regular practice enhances your intuitive abilities, allowing you to make guided decisions toward prosperity. Advantages. Holistic well-being. Beyond prosperity, the practice promotes overall well-being by balancing mind, body, and spirit. Flexibility. This technique is flexible and can be adapted to various desires, providing a versatile manifestation tool. Elevated positivity. Crystal energy uplifts your vibrational frequency, attracting positive circumstances and opportunities. Conclusion. The crystal healing meditation for prosperity is a transformative practice that aligns your energy with abundance. Regular sessions empower you to manifest your desires while fostering holistic well-being and an elevated state of positivity.